Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove junk files from Mac. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What is CleanMyMac X? CleanMyMac is a great software and definitely a boon for Mac users. This aids Mac users to easily clean up junk files from the entire computer without any hassle. Also, it speeds up your Mac and boosts its performance to a maximum level. It comes with lots of premium features that makes your Mac more powerful. It keeps all the drivers and applications up to date. CleanMyMac X is available in free and premium versions. Why CleanMyMac X? It is free to use. Boosts the speed of your Mac. Makes your Mac run like new. Deletes applications completely. You can easily delete all kinds of junk files from the entire Mac at once. And it is notarized by Apple. Pricing. CleanMyMac X is available in two license types, such as 1-year subscription and one-time purchase. These are the prices of 1-year subscription. And these are the prices of one-time purchase. How to remove junk files from Mac using CleanMyMac X. Open any browser on your Mac and visit the official site of CleanMyMac X. Check description for the link. Purchase and download the latest version of the application. Launch CleanMyMac X after the successful installation. Then you will find the interface as shown in the tutorial. Choose the System Junk tool available in the Cleanup section. And click on Scan to start the scanning process. It takes some time to complete the scanning process. After the completion of the scan, it displays all the found data. Click on Review Details option to see the details. Then it displays the list of applications and its category selected in the scan. Click on Clean to start the cleaning process. It shows a pop-up to close the running applications if any. Click on Quit to close the running applications and initiate the cleaning process. It takes time to complete the cleaning process based on the size of the found data. After the completion of clean, it displays the results page of the application as shown in the tutorial. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.